Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you want longer, shinier, and healthier hair without spending hundreds of dollars on expensive products? Today, I'm sharing with you a K-beauty-inspired DIY hack that has taken the internet by storm: rice water for extreme hair growth. This ancient beauty secret has been used by women for centuries, especially in Asia, and is now one of the biggest hair care trends in the world. So grab your rice, a little water, and let's make this powerful treatment right at home. Rice water isn't just water that you rinse off after cooking. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that nourish your hair from root to tip. Here's why it works so well. It contains amino acids that strengthen hair and prevent breakage. It's rich in vitamin B, vitamin E, and minerals that help boost scalp health. The superstar ingredient is inositol, a carbohydrate found in rice water that repairs damaged hair and keeps it protected even after rinsing. In fact, this hack is inspired by the Yao women of China, known as the Rapunzel women, who are famous for their incredibly long, black, and healthy hair. Their secret? Rice water! Now let's learn how to prepare rice water properly at home. There are two main methods: soaking and fermenting. Method 1. Soaking, quick and easy. Take 1/2 cup of uncooked rice. Rinse it well to remove dirt. Add 2-3 cups of clean water. Let it soak for 30 minutes. Stir it gently and then strain the water. This method is simple and quick for beginners. Method 2. Fermented rice water, more powerful. Take the same soaked rice water. Leave it at room temperature for 24-48 hours to ferment. When you notice a slightly sour smell, it's ready. Fermented rice water is more potent and packed with nutrients. Once prepared, store your rice water in a clean bottle. You can refrigerate it for up to a week. Here's how you should apply rice water for best results. Shampoo your hair as usual. Pour rice water onto your scalp and hair. Massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it in for about 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with plain water. Do this 1 to 2 times per week for noticeable results. Pro tips: if you have dry hair, mix rice water with a few drops of natural oil like argan or coconut oil. For dandruff control, add a few drops of tea tree oil. Always follow up with a conditioner if your hair feels too stiff. With regular use, here's what you can expect: faster hair growth, reduced hair fall, stronger, thicker strands, natural shine and smoothness, healthier scalp. Many people start seeing results within 3-4 weeks. A few things to keep in mind: don't overuse rice water, as too much protein can make your hair stiff. Always rinse properly after use. If you have sensitive scalp or allergies, do a patch test first. Remember, consistency is key. You won't grow 10 inches of hair overnight, but with patience, this simple DIY can transform your hair health. So that's it. The ultimate K-beauty-inspired DIY hack for extreme hair growth: rice water. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more beauty hacks and natural remedies. Comment below if you've tried rice water before. I'd love to hear your experience. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful naturally.